It finally happened! Here we are with our first look at the Quest 3 in its first unboxing and appearance out in the wild. Any sense of deja vu there? The video was posted on Reddit for a brief moment before they took it down. Of course, that didn't stop from being reposted all over the internet. Yup, even here. Eita here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel. I tried my best to enhance and upscale the video to 4K to spot every single detail in there. So let's break down together this first unboxing, going through every detail because there's some new stuff that we didn't know before. So well, let's get into it. Alright, first of all, as you can see, the box is very small compared to the one of the Oculus Meta Quest 2, and it's a very easy packaging. Of course, this is the internal box, we didn't see its sleeve yet, or probably they're gonna feature some new games, apps, and of course a new graphic. They're still using recycled material here, and I freaking love it, but back to the headset, that is the most important part, right? And here we are with the Quest 3 in all its glory, with the two ringless controllers. First thing that comes to my mind, and I noticed looking at this, is of course the small size, for sure reflected inside of the box as well, and that is thanks to the new lenses technology. Hopefully we'll get a side oval later. Also the fact that the Oculus logo is completely gone now, replaced by the Meta one, as you can see on the right controller. Once again, RIP Oculus. And the fact that it will ship with a soft strap, like it happened with the Quest 2. Now this will be removable and replaceable like it happened with the Quest 2. We already saw some pictures of the headset with a different strap, but we'll have to see how comfortable this is gonna end to be. At the end of the day, it will sit closer to your face, so the balance should be better, even if the hardware is still all on the front. As you can see, the design of the strap is a little different though from the one on the Meta Quest 2, where the top actually splits in two parts, apparently getting a better grip on the back of your head, and also, I think, to accommodate curls, ponytails and such. It's a nice touch there, and we can see it better over here. So you're gonna be able to open it as much as you need. Also, another little detail that we can barely see for a split second is the QR code in there, probably with instructions how to do the first setup and register your device. I tried my best to have it recognized with my phone, but I actually failed at it, so if you're able to do it, please let me know where it brings you. I wonder though if it's gonna need a phone for the first setup like the last time. I hope not. But anyway, the headset itself is tiny and we can see it in all its glory with a big array of sensors and cameras on the front. There are two high-res pass-through cameras and two black and white for the tracking. Plus, in the center, the depth sensor that will be used for high-quality mixed reality. Plus, you can see on the bottom the two additional cameras for the tracking facing down. On the bottom, we also have the volume rocker and the wheel for the IPD adjustment to move the lenses stepless left and right. This is a big upgrade from the Quest 2, and I'm glad they went back like it was on the Quest 1, because visual comfort is very, very important. Also here we can see the three golden dots. They're gonna be a proprietary connection for a dock accessory to charge it, just dropping it on it, similar to what we saw on the Quest Pro. It really doesn't seem to be in the box though, so yeah, clearly that's an accessory. There is another big addition here that we didn't know before about it. Stop. And that's the eye relief, the possibility to move the facial interface back and forth. Great if you wear glasses or to make the FOV smaller or bigger. It seems we're gonna be able to do that clicking on the two buttons inside and pulling the facial interface in and out, much easier than the eye relief add-on that we had on the Quest 2 box. Oh, by the way, the facial interface looks huge with the usual weird foamy material of the previous headsets. Don't worry though, as Zook showed us in one of the previous videos, you're gonna be able to swap it with third-party accessories and having like maybe fake leather, silicone and stuff like that, depending on your use, and maybe making it even more comfortable. Back to the unboxing. We can here notice on the sides the openings for the audio, like in the previous headsets. Weirdly though, we also see some openings on the top. This could be to have better bass, and that would be awesome, or maybe there could be some vents to dissipate the heat of the processor. What you think? On the left side, we can see the USB Type-C connection. Freaking love that it looks like the Oculus logo. At least we have something left there. And the power button that this time will be rounded. It's very close to the camera, so I hope we are not gonna poke that one continuously instead. and put some smudges on. Unfortunately, we don't have a very good look at the lenses from this video. They still have the protective sleeve on it, but we know for a fact there will be pancake lenses like the Quest Pro, and those are the best on the market right now. I'm very excited for this. Also, you can see that they have big bumpers around them. This is new. It could be to protect them a bit from scratches, but also to block some light from the sides, reducing glaring. And that's great to see, though it might be a problem for prescription lenses adapters. Also, as always, between the lenses, you can see the proximity sensors, so it will be able to turn off when you're not wearing it, or of course on when you do. Talking about the controllers, by the way, I love the black and white design. It seems that they're still gonna work with the AA batteries, like in the past. I'm really curious though about the tracking with these, because they don't have any ring on it. They're very confident with this, and it's something that we're gonna have to test out. Also, at the end of the video is pulling off a small box from the back. We don't have footage of it, unfortunately, but probably gonna have a short cable with a power brick to actually charge the device, and this usually happens the batteries for the controllers. By the way, I love to see that this headset seems to be ready to use right away, right out of the box. The lanyard for the controllers are already there, the strap for the headset is already there. We don't have to, like, you know, put together anything. You just have to grab it, turn it on, probably use the QR code, and be ready to actually play in VR or MR, mixed reality, because that's a big focus of this headset. While it's kind of sad to see these leaks happening every single time with a Meta product, I'm still very happy to see the box and the fact that this thing is ready to go. It's gonna be in our hands very, very soon. So yeah, seeing it made me even more excited. But hey, did you notice anything that I didn't notice in this unboxing video? There are some particular details that for you will work out in a way or in the other. What do you think are those vents on the top? Let me know in the comment below. Of course, keep an eye on the channel, because when it's gonna be available, we're gonna cover pretty much everything of this headset. I also just came back from Gamescom yesterday. I tried some very interesting stuff, so stay tuned on the channel for the video as well. And yeah, as always guys, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more VR tech. If you really love the channel, there's a join button there. Turn further, also the Patreon. Thanks to the Patreon who joined the channel, of course, and I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao. It's hot.